Was Donald Trump's capture of Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro legal? The surprise attack has been condemned by newly appointed New York City Mayor Zohran Mamdani, Russia, China, Iran, Brazil, Colombia, Cuba, and even the New York Times editorial board. Across the pond, Keir Starmer has said the UK will shed no tears about the end of Maduro's regime. But the legality of the US operation is still up for debate. So, let's break it down. Was it lawful to extradite Maduro? In short, probably not. The US may claim that it had used military assistance to extradite Maduro on charges of drug trafficking, terrorism, and crimes related to weapons, but these crimes would not be seen as serious enough to warrant military intervention, at least according to legal experts. Does this break international law? Yep. The United Nations Charter says that a nation may not use force on the sovereign territory of another country without its consent, a self-defense rationale, or the authorization of the UN Security Council. What about federal law? This is where it gets a bit tricky. Was Trump required to inform Congress of his plans? Technically, yes, but his team may argue that notifying Congress would have ruined the surprise element of his plan. Would it be illegal for Trump to run Venezuela? Simply put, yes. Under international law, this would be seen as an illegal occupation. What will happen to Maduro now? Well, the US courts will be unlikely to care how Maduro got to court, as long as he's actually there. Case law in the US states that it's the defendant's presence that matters, and so Maduro could actually face jail time. He also may not have immunity as the head of state, as the US does not recognise him as a legitimate president.